Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas jar centerpiece decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, there's something really charming about turning simple jar into beautiful Christmas decoration jar. Many looks ordinary, but with a little creative, and they become tiny home for warm lights and holiday magic. Today I am creating a centerpiece jar that fit cozy, handmade, and full of festive sweetness. I start with clear jar, each one ready to hold its own little stories, some big, some small, but all perfect for soft winter charm. The first layer is always natural, a bed of fresh green, soft greeny, or snow-kissed wax moss. It instantly gives the jar that plain winter forest feel. Then come the details, tiny ornaments, pink crowns, cinnamon sticks, berries, and little touch that bring colors and texture. Each jar gets its own personality, some rustic, some elegant, some playful, and some bright. And viewers, next I place candles or fairy lights inside, and this is where the magic happens. As soon as the lights turn on, the jar begins to glow from within. A warm, cold, and peaceful. The glass reflects the lights beautifully, creating a soft spark that feels like Christmas warp. In a quiet moment, I arrange the jar together on a tray or wooden base, letting their height and the shape, creating a perfect festive balance. A little green around the edges, maybe a ribbon. Instantly the wall centerpiece look like a winter village made of light. This jar centerpiece complicated or expensive. It's simple, cozy, and full of heart. A small reminder that Christmas magic often come from the simplest things. The warm lights, nature touch, and a little creative viewers. And I hope you like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks.